To access your iCloud photos, the method depends on the device you are using. First, to access iCloud photos on iPhone or iPad. From there, select iCloud, then tap Photos, and enable Sync this iPhone or Sync this iPad. The sync happens automatically over Wi-Fi, and you can choose between optimize iPhone storage to save space or download and keep originals for full resolution offline access. Once enabled, open the Photos app, and your entire iCloud library will appear alongside any locally stored images. For accessing iCloud photos on a Windows PC, install iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store to ensure you have the latest version compatible with Windows 10 and 11. After installation, launch the app and sign in with your Apple ID. In the iCloud app, check the Photos box, then click Options to confirm that iCloud Photos is enabled. Once applied, open File Explorer and navigate to the iCloud Photos folder under Pictures, or click iCloud Photos in the left navigation pane to view all synced images. Photos with a green checkmark are stored locally, while cloud icons indicate files available for download on demand. If you prefer not to install any software, accessing iCloud Photos through a web browser is a reliable alternative. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Once signed in, you can browse your entire library. Select individual photos or hold Ctrl to select multiple, and click the download icon to save them directly to your device. Beyond accessing your photos, managing your data effectively is equally important. If you ever encounter accidental deletion or need to recover files without resetting your device, tools like MagFone iPhone Data Recovery can assist. It offers 3 recovery modes: recovering directly from an iOS device without a backup, extracting specific files from iTunes backups without overwriting existing data, and accessing iCloud backups without requiring a device reset. These options provide flexible data management beyond standard access methods.